I needed a place to store my stainless steel with minimum cross-contamination, so jumped into the 2D CAD program to make a rough drawing off a steel rack, measurements for bending drawings, and the sheet metal send-off for laser cut. First came the back wall pipes that require a lot of manual work. They are sawed up in 4 pieces, 2.5 meters each, and made ready for the drilling machine, making all the holes for the shelves. Here I use a method where one bolt holds the shelf and another bolt supports the shelf underneath. Then came pipes that really matter, a little bigger and thicker. You want the bottom thick, and most stable. The bandsaw made parts quick. A whole pallet full of laser cut parts, bent according to drawings. I get really excited. Will it fit? And what to do if it doesn't fit? I can't avoid the welding machine anymore. Start with what are simple feet, made 6 edge holes in the plate as a bolt fits right in. With a little welding wire, it becomes a cheap machine foot. Yes, there is more welding, a plate that provides extra strength for the feet and ends on shelves so that materials do not roll off. When making a design, you are sometimes locked in, or do you dare make changes along the way? I made a 45-degree angle for the front feet, welding parts together, then it was super welding between the foot and the rear tube. Then came the time for the first test fit. Here you can also see the old wall-mounted steel rack. The weight of the steel on it is now too great, and bolts in the wall can't handle it anymore. Everything fit together, then there were only 3 more columns to be built. Now came the fun part, peeling the old steel rack down and filling in the holes in the wall. The first 2 parts were set up, with 40 by 40 pipes between, which are bolted into the back add pipes to make the rack stable, and later there will be cross ties between the pipes. Here you can see the finished result, and if I must say so, I am quite proud. A lot more steel has been added since then, and it stands super stable as if it had been bolted to the floor or wall. From here we can now continue with a lot of other cool projects. Like, subscribe and press the notification bell for future content.